I made a simple sleeveless gown from this fabric. By the way, this fabric is called sunray. I made a sleeveless gown from it. And I love to have head tie for most of my handmade clothes. And so I'm creating a triangular head tie from this remainder fabric. That's what I'm cutting. I have overlocked it, both all the edges, raw edges, especially because it is a very stretchy fabric. And so this is how it has turned out. I told you it's a triangular head tie, very small one. And to add some embellishment, so to speak, I will put this at the edge, at the forehead edge where it will be tied. Just watch to the end. Watch this video to the end and see how it will turn out, what I desire to create from it. The dress I made from it is washed, is outside as I speak. So, but this is how I desire to do it. Keep watching to the end. So here we are. My triangular head tie for my simple sleeveless gown is ready. I washed it and it's outside. I may need to even go bring it and show it to you. But this is the head tie, to match head tie. Thank you for watching to this end. Let me quickly go bring it so you will see how it looks as a matching dress head tie. Here I go. So this is it. This is what I mean by the matching of it. I just love it. This is it. This is the final outcome. I love to have a small, what you can call a triangular head tie for most of the handmade clothes I own. So this is how it has come out. I tie it like this, and I love it all the time. If you want to go for some evening Bible service, evening program, church programs. In my church, we must cover our head as females. So I love to wear my handmade clothes, and I love to have my hair covered with a matching outfit. So this is it. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. But please subscribe, like the video, subscribe. And anytime I post my several handmade outfits, simple handmade outfits without pattern, you will be able to view it and make yours, and let's see. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me in one way or the other. Goodbye.